Wagwan Yard Life people, blessed vibes to you. Welcome again to the YouTube channel Yard Life's Good. We're there again with another epic and blessed vibes for you. Today we're gonna eat jerk chicken, we're gonna eat jerk pork, and we're gonna drink some BUSSU soup. We're not sure what that is as yet, but we're gonna try it today. I've never tried BUSSU soup and Yard Life there. Try some in the day with some jerk pork and some jerk chicken, and push power the people with the above the Portland. First time I got taste BUSSU people. Portland with the people, both be Portland, and we're at Glen's Jerk and Bar. So this is one of the spots in Portland, one of the most famous spots in a Portland where you can get your original authentic jerk pork and your jerk chicken and them thing there. So we're there at Glen's and we're gonna see what one we're say soup there, and some stuff already started already. So we're gonna see what one at the pot around there, and hopefully a blessed vibes go on throughout the whole video. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Give the video a thumbs up and drop a subscribe so you get notified. Turn on the bell so you get notified, guys, when a video drop. And of course, give the video the thumbs up. When you don't know Yard Life there, we in a Portland. We're there right around the globe. Anyway, the food the Yard Life there, so make you see what go on in the kitchen. The real country vibes they have to experience to this, and never yet tried BUSSU. So what is BUSSU?
It's a shell thing come from the river in Portland. Portland, I think of Portland alone is there.
Oh, so Portland only?
Only. What I know of. I don't know where else.
Oh, wow, natural vibes, and all of them here go in a day.
In a
BUSSU
soup. Yeah.
Crazy. So we see sweet potato, Irish,
carrot.
all of them thing, the carrot,
Yam.
so what and dumpling and them thing, then
Yeah, man, that's
spinach,
all good too. Yeah, man, spinach
everything. So it's like a shellfish soup.
Yes.
Natural vibes. BUSSU soup people see. This are the Janga over here, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, natural vibes. See Janga over there, sir, and we yet to see the BUSSU, but we are gonna see what I go and look more from this. We never yet actually see BUSSU.
Yeah.
We never yet drink the soup and we never yet see BUSSU, so kinda excited to try it in the day. What got another pot already?
Only the BUSSU and scale and time.
Oh, so the BUSSU actually in it already?
Yes.
Okay.
That way.
Oh, so it have to go in before everything else.
Yes.
Whoa.
And you put scale and time.
Whoa.
With garlic. So then all of them that boiling item.
Natural. How long the pot take to cook? Maybe like 2 hours?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, people. It's a vibe. And they have to experience there's some yam right there. So it's like yellow yam. Nice. As we enter in the kitchen, you don't know the smell of that jerk vibes. Look at these people. Crazy vibes. Jerk chicken over here, so crazy vibes. The smoke, that smell, natural, authentic Portland vibes. Look at this. Jerk pork over here, so under some real coal fire and smoke are going. Right there, so one big load bag of pepper the right there. So you know country people go when jerking a go on or whenever cooking a go on, whole heap of pepper off it there, and you see a bag. We see crazy amount of coal there because you don't know the jerking it give the blast. Crazy stuff. We're there in a Portland, buff bay people bar up on the front and pork and chicken there in the back a jerk. It's a whole vibe. The smoke just to give you a vibe, and the BUSSU soup. We can't wait for tried people. And we're there today. Natural settings, authentic Jamaican vibes. This whole entire area, guys, the whole entire area is just a relaxing vibe. You don't know the beach literally. Look at that. It's basically sea view. The whole stretch where you see back here, so people is basically sea. Straight sea, and you don't know the jerk center there right across the road. It's a whole natural vibe the whole feeling when you come and say you can enjoy some food, and actually, you never, if you don't want to stay inside of the jerk center, you can even go cross the road. It's a whole vibe, the CD over there, so, and it's just a natural, authentic Jamaican vibes, and where they have to try some pork today, where they have to try some chicken, and you don't know the BUSSU soup, can't stop talking about it because whenever you try it, and one try it to the people. So just remember, give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, natural authentic vibes, pork there, see the big, one of the top chef over here saw do him thing. Chicken look real good, pork smell real good, the smoke, all of that flavor I go in the authentic cooking, natural vibes. So what they are go and wait. You guys make the sauce also?
Yeah, man.
Homemade sauce. Original Glen's homemade sauce. Whoa, natural. Peppery. Yeah, man. Now we have to try some of this today now. Yeah, man. We have to try some of this today. So, these are the homemade sauce, the original. How long? Eh? Yeah, how long? 32 years. 32 years. Whoa. 32 years worth of jerking. 32 years worth of jerking. And then not normal that people say, you know, the craft what them put in this for stand out so long, you know say, and then not normal, the real authentic vibes. Crazy. Cutting up a guan over this if you're going at the BUSSU soup. All vibes. Dice them up small to go in at the soup pot. So this spot, guys, normally by 10 or anytime after 11, you can forward and get the jerk chicken or the jerk pork. As early as that time, stuff normally ready and available on the menu for the forward and enjoy early in the morning. Crazy vibe. You can see chef there, so I cut up stuff for going at the BUSSU pot. Chef in this work on the pork and the chicken as usual, and the whole trick behind this whole jerk thing, the heat and no flames, just heat. That do the trick, people. And look at that, crazy, that smell. I wish you could have smelled this through the camera, but oh, it's a whole vibe, people. Crazy.
So I finish up cold, you know?
True.
You see now you put in the food and thing on it.
They said this coal can carry it straight to the end.
Yeah, man.
Naturally. Natural, authentic vibes, people. Look at that. Right over across from Glen. Pure sea, pure blue waters. Beautiful, nice. The place windy and just cool and nice. Look at that. Smoke coming through the window. One more than this. You could have want one more than this. Natural vibes. The whole jerk feeling. The whole authentic vibes.
Pumpkin this, you know.
So you boil the pumpkin halfway.
Boil it, mash him out.
Mash it out.
Then throw him back in there.
This in the color.
Yeah. See how they look different now? And the splash now.
Naturally, yes man. Whoa. Oh, this is the coal pit. Oh, so this you get all fire from?
Yeah.
Naturally. Wow. Trenton over here, so. Original. Hold on. I want to get the jungle them so red.
Parch.
Oh, them parch already? Oh, parch meaning just put them in a hot pot. That's all.
With
Oh.
pepper and garlic.
Oh, with pepper and garlic.
Yeah.
Natural vibes. Hot janga. And these are river. Them are river janga.
Everybody make one from one.
River.
We don't want the other one, we don't want to make one.
Yeah.
The original set, man.
Original.
BUSSU original, Kajanga original.
Naturally.
Yeah.
As soon as just say chicken, meanwhile chicken, I finish up chicken, fresh chicken, I go up on top of the grill same way, so you know say. Those are all vibes, crazy vibes. People who want to come on the camera a long time, so they don't know we have to give him shine. Natural vibes. It's a whole jerking, smoking vibes are going right here, so.
Tying that here.
Yeah, man.
Tying that back. I don't want to let go.
It's a time for the jungle them now. people, look at this. It's now 10:19, and already you can see jerk chicken ready. Pork ready yet? What? What you say? Whoa. Natural vibe, people, look at that. Crazy. Whoa. Pork is ready, people. Pork is ready. And also some of the chicken are already done and waiting. Look at that. Right there, we just see a blend, seasoning gone in the pot, of course, mixed with flour and water to get the soup, that thickness there, that little body there, natural vibes. Even though food already in the soup, you don't know, you still want a little thickness there because you don't want your soup watery. With some other secret blend, of course, them they are the chef secret style and pattern we use for game pot, that flavor there, and we could show all of that, but crazy, we can't wait to taste it, people. We can't wait to taste it. The pot smells so good and it looks so good. The color the way it have right now and the texture the way it get, we can't wait to taste that right now. Original BUSSU soup in a Portland, Buff Bay. Going to take some of the pork right about now. Pork looking real nice apart. Whoa, this texture and this color with up. Can't wait for diving at these people. You don't have a skin on the Jamaica?
Yeah, so for people they say what yesterday. Yeah, we put the skin on it.
Half the skin, half of the on it.
Yeah.
Whoa. And what's the price again, I say? $7.50 a quart.
Yeah.
Wow. This is the whole. How much years? I say 32?
Yeah.
And the whole 32 years. What are spices? Crazy vibes, and then I can tip little of the ketchup now up on the side so we can dip it in it. Wow. Natural. Yeah man, that good. Natural vibes, people, look at that. So just capture some pork. You can see all of that spiciness in the sauce. Crazy vibes are going right as the people. Look at the pepper and the chicken right as looking well juicy. So we get some pork and we get some jerk chicken. Natural vibes. So we're going to dig in it right now and see what Portland vibes go on with. Piece of the pork right as the people. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, people are pork are wicked. This pork are drip right about now. Look at this. This is the lean part of the pork, people. You know, this come with a mixture of the fat and the lean part. Crazy vibes. The spice are kicking right about now. We can taste that 32-year-old spice there. Crazy. Whoa. on all of these people. Look at this. Oh, people, the pork is so good right now. The chicken they have from the digging, and I know when I touch the chicken because the pork is that good. Sauce a kick. Come to Portland, come check out Glen's. Come on Portland, come check out Glen's. The jerk pork is a vibe. We are digging at the chicken right about now. Wow. This is the jerk chicken. Juicy. Juicy vibes are going as a people. Crazy. Juicy. While still you have that crispiness there. You still have the crispiness of the chicken on the outside, but literally them white part here. Juicy. Wow. Dip it in some of that ketchup there. Wow. People can get back some of that spice there. The 32-year-old spicy sauce right here. Look at that. Guys, this leany part of the pork actually surprised me. Whoa. Juicy. Buff beef Portland, guys. Glen's jerk. Crazy. Crazy pork. Crazy chicken. Remember when I done it? Because I have the BUSSU soup to test out, and we're going to go around there right now and see what going in the BUSSU pot, because we have to test out some of that BUSSU soup there. Natural vibe chicken. So people, the pork was good. Pork was great. The chicken tastes really, really great. Well done. And right now, BUSSU soup there. I will not left. I want to get some of the BUSSU soup. See, Chef Boss over there. So I'm going at the BUSSU pot right now. That's cool. Now look at that. The heat, the smell as him lift up the pot cover there. Wow. Can't wait to taste some of that BUSSU soup, people.
Them blocks up there, them are jam. But them are the BUSSU.
Oh.
Them blocks up.
Naturally.
I'm going to get it all. I'm going to get the janga, see BUSSU.
Alright.
I'm going to eat thoroughly, I don't want no food.
Naturally. No, the bag of food. Whoa. BUSSU soup ready, people. This is BUSSU soup, people. Wow, natural vibes. You can see right there. So you get a nice size janga in our BUSSU soup. Look at that. And the black thing they want to see. Look at naturally. That's one of the BUSSU right there. Wow, natural vibe. So I'm gonna test out this right now, people. See what I'm going for the BUSSU soup. First time having BUSSU soup. Original BUSSU vibes, people. See if we can find some of the BUSSU them.
We could talk about how instead of convincing MAGA supporters that Trump world is basically a hotbed of criminal activity, they're charging us with crimes just because we keep committing crime. It's not fair. We don't have the time.
That is one of the BUSSU people. This is the first time I got taste BUSSU. Look at this. First time I got taste BUSSU, people. And whenever I got dip it in another soup water, I got to taste it right now. You don't think it to that tougher than this. Whoa, whoa, crazy texture, people. This is soft. It give me a punk kind of vibe. Whoa, BUSSU soup, people.
And 117 people currently serving in the U.S. military. Right now, facing charges for That's right.
Really? Whoa, curry BUSSU.
And it turns out which is pretty concerning. I don't want to get beaten up by a cop because
Like a natural punch. Whoa. BUSSU people. It surprised me. Honestly, I thought this was going to have a texture like a tough texture, like you have to chew it up or you know, but people, it's like a conk vibe. BUSSU, look at this. BUSSU right here. Oh. So full of flavor. All of the scallion, the thyme, all of the little, whoa, crazy vibes of garlic, the little spinach we see right here. So people, not too big, as some say, not too big spinach, nice BUSSU soup. Whoa. This BUSSU soup actually give me a vibe. Yeah, man. Would I drink a couple more cup of this? Whoa. That's the crawfish in this. This is the original Janga, original river Janga, people. I heard that the BUSSU mainly come from Portland. Mainly. Not sure if it's available anywhere else on the island, but mainly in Portland you find BUSSU. Oh. This soup surprised me. crazy BUSSU vibe is done completely. Mad vibe, BUSSU vibe in a Portland, Buff Bay.
Chicken nuggets and our special sauce, daddy.